Hello, I'm Andy, and I'm going to read to you a program called Lotteries for October 2019. And this is for you coming from Capricorn. So, first, let me impress on you that we all have an inner force of energy, which some people call the soul, some call it that magnetic energy that we have, that force of energy. And the scientists say that that energy emits an aura. And how do we tap that energy is what I will teach you when you visit me. In the meantime, for your lotteries, I'm going to give you some information now. Your lucky dates for the month of October would be the 9th, the 18th, and the 27th of October. On these dates, whether to go to the casino or whether to buy your lottery tickets, you will be able to then use this for any kind of financial speculation. Now, I've done some homework for you. I've divided the 9 planets into 2 groups. The first group of 5 planets, I've tracked their movement for the month of October. And from there, I've got certain numbers for you. So write down the number 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63. Then the other group of 4 planets, from there I've got the numbers according to my notes. The number 8, 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, and 71. And for the third set of numbers, I'm going to use my Kabbalistic tarot cards for you coming from Capricorn. Let's see what numbers I get from here. And this is the card that I've got from you. And from here, I will choose these numbers. The number 6, 15, 24, 33, 42, 51, 60, and 69. So you've got 3 sets of numbers I've given you. What do you do? Well, if you've been to see me for a 90-minute session, which would have cost you USD $50, I would have taught you exactly what to do. I would have given you your lucky days, your lucky colors, your lucky directions, a lot of other information. And I would have taught you how to go about using the numbers. And based on your date of birth and time of birth and looking at your palm, I would have given you your personal lucky numbers once and for all. And in the meantime now, if you haven't been to see me, so you go to buy some paper and bring it home and cut 2-inch by 2-inch strips. And if you've been to see me, I would advise you what color paper to buy. In the meantime, buy any paper that's available. And on each of these 2-inch by 2-inch, you'll write only one of the numbers which I gave you and fold it up. And soon you'll have a little pile of all folded up papers. And so I will ask you to choose now from there. And when you choose, and if you've been to see me, I would have said you have to wear your best colors. You have to face your best directions. You have to do this exercise definitely on your lucky days, which I'll give you all based on your date of birth and time of birth and looking at your palms. And I would also have given you certain ways how to use the energy of the supernatural so that you can tap that inner force in you, which is ready to help you. Some call it the soul, some call it the guide, some call it a force of energy. And you can use these forms of energy to help you in many, many ways. And everything is at your fingertips. It's all there. And I will teach you how to use this magnetic energy, which will help you, whether for lotteries or for any area of your life, your job, your business, your finance, your marriage, your personal life of romance, and also in your health areas, how to tap the energies to get everything perfectly right for you. And so you see, in this 90-minute session, you will learn a lot. And I'll give you your personal lucky lottery numbers based on your date of birth, your time of birth, and looking at your palms. What I'm giving you right now is based for everybody coming from Capricorn. So it's a very generalized reading. But even then, try to do your best as possible. So even after you have chosen your numbers, and I would have shown you how to go through this ritual of choosing your numbers step by step using this inner force energy. And after you've chosen it, even to buy your lotteries, you'll have to go on certain lucky days, wear certain colors based on your date of birth, time of birth, and looking at your palms. And you got to get everything right. And even when you go to the casino, I will advise you on which dates to go all based on your date of birth and time of birth and looking at your palm. So everything becomes very personal reading for you. In the meantime, go enjoy yourself for the month of October. And remember, my email address is andyhoro9, ANDIHORO9, the number 9 at gmail.com. Send me an email and let's get down to having this 90-minute session. And it's got to cover all your life, not just for the lotteries. Every area of your life I will go into detail for your next 7, 8, or 9 years. In the meantime, have a good month of October. Thank you and goodbye.